Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can see deleted messages from WhatsApp. So there are two ways. The first one is go to settings. After tapping on settings, now just scroll down or search notification history. Here it is. Just tap on notification history. Now you just have to enable it. Now what it can do, it basically collect all the notification which will arrive. So in this way you can get your deleted messages in the form of notification. So this is the first way, and the second way is go to Play Store. So after going to Play Store, search WAMR. Here it is. You just have to click on the second one. Now just install this. After installing, click on open, click on accept, enable, and you have to give it permission. Click on allow. Now next. Here you have to enable those apps in which you want to see deleted messages. Let's suppose I'm just doing WhatsApp, and click on next, and finally give it permissions. From now on, whenever someone send you a message and delete it, you can easily see deleted message from here. That's all for today. Hope you would like the video. So do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.